ito sample panel interview questions na maaari mong makasalubong during your panel interview. Lalong-lalo na kapag mga situational ang mga tanong. So, ito yung tanong. What will you do if there is language or communication barrier between you as a correction officer and the PDL? What will you do if there is a communication or language barrier between you as a correction officer and the PDL? O sa madaling sabi, ano ang gagawin mo kapag hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan ng isang PDL? Hindi niya naiintindihan yung sinasabi mo at hindi mo rin naiintindihan ang kanyang sinasabi. Ganito lang yan kasimple sagutin, direct to the point, wala nang marami pang paligoy-ligoy. Sir, as a correction officer, you don't force communications. You adapt and ensure understanding while communicating with a persons deprived of liberty. First, I will stay calm and use simple or simply communications or language tools. If needed, clear instructions and simple gestures. If ever the communication is still difficult, I will seek assistance from my colleagues who understand better the person's deprived of liberties native tongue or language. In short, I will use my colleagues as an interpreter so that there will be no language or communication barrier between me and the PDL. If ever I cannot understand a certain PDL language or a native tongue, I will remain calm, use simple instructions and gestures to communicate, and seek assistance from someone who is more knowledgeable than me, because my priority is to ensure the clear communications while maintaining security and respecting the person's deprived of liberty and his rights. Ganyan lang kasimple ang sagot dyan. Sigurado ako kapag yan ang sinagot mo, matatandaan ng panelist ang pangalan mo. At malay mo, ikaw na ang susunod na mag-o-taking. Kung gusto mo pa na mas marami akong i-upload na sample interview questions and sample answers, mag-comment ka lang sa ibaba. I-like and i-share ang aking post. And syempre, i-follow nyo na rin ako sa TikTok, sa Facebook at sa aking YouTube account. Ako pa rin si 124, ang inyong certified kupal na nagpapaalala kapag corrections officer ka na, wag kang magiging kupal.
Bro, kupal thoughts, masakit pero may saysay. Tinutulungan ko kahit minsan mahirap.